Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. Today I got a video I know you're going to enjoy. We're doing all American favorite condiment, tomato ketchup, infused tomato ketchup by the Florida Cannabis Chef. This is a simple, easy recipe. You can make it home. Okay, let's get started. There you have it, Cannabis Infused Ketchup. Listen, if you need the recipes for the cannabis sugar and the cannabis salt you saw in today's video, just check out my previous episodes. You'll find them on my channel, The Florida Cannabis Chef, right here on YouTube. So you most certainly want to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes we have coming. Checking out for now. Have a great day.